Page 183. It is Monday, the 18th of May. And the first word is the word moment. What's the word? Okay, a moment is a little slice of time. What's happening right now? What happened at that moment in the past? Okay, so we're having an emotional moment sometimes when we're sad. I think one of the students may have written that. I think that might have been Derek. Okay, so the word moment is a little slice of time. Okay, at this moment, we're doing spelling words. Moment. Let's go. Moment. Moment. So let's go. First syllable, mo. Second syllable, ment. Moment. Just a moment, please. How do we mark this up? You got it. And rule 4. Okay? The next word is the word, excuse me. Next word is the word require. What's the word? Excellent. Require. So when you have to require something, it's a must, it's essential, it's crucial, it's important, it's like a duty, a responsibility, and an obligation. Okay, and you could think of it like this. For example, right now, a store will require you to wear a mask and to practice social distancing if you want to go in there. Okay, we as human beings require 3 things: food, clothing, and shelter. All living things require water for them to survive. Okay, so it is a must. It's essential. It has to be done. Require. Let's go. Require. Require. Okay, so first syllable, second syllable, quire. Require. We have 4 things to mark up, so let's go. Underline the E, the qu, the I, and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. You know the rest. Good, rule 4, and excellent, rule 1. So we could do a little repeat for rule 4 over here, and then Q and U stick like glue. That is rule 1. Okay? Now, when something is required, okay, when it is essential like that, it's called a requirement. For example, it is a requirement for you to say it as you write it. I don't care if you're at home right now. It's still a requirement. It's a must. It's going to help you. Requirement. Let's go. Requirement. Requirement. So let's go. Requirement. Requirement. I'm not going to make you mark it up, but it does have the same rules. Okay. And what do we do with these 2 words? Great. We brace it up. Okay, the next word is the word penmanship. What's the word? Excellent. Penmanship. Okay, and all that is handwriting. In the old days, when you would pen something, you would write something. That's why the word penmanship. Okay, I penned a story. I'm going to pen a story tonight. I'm going to write a story. Penmanship. Let's go. Penmanship. Penmanship. Okay, so let's go. Penmanship. Penmanship. How do we mark this up? Underline the sh. And you can so think about it like this, right? You learned cursive penmanship, script penmanship. Okay, so can we use the word pen by itself? Can we use the word man by itself? Can we use the word ship by itself? Exactly, we can. And when you put it together, it becomes a what? Exactly. And it's one of the few triple compound words that we are going to learn. Triple compound word. Triple compound word. Okay. Prefix tri or tri. Tri means 3. Okay, now, the next word is the word handwriting. What's the word? You have to, exactly, handwriting. You have to practice your handwriting, whether it's print or cursive and script. Handwriting. Let's go. Ting. Handwriting. So let's go. Make sure that W loops up. You know who you are. Ting. Handwriting. Dot your I, cross your T. Okay, so we have 2 things to mark up. So let's go. Underline the R and the and the I, sorry. The I can say I at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. You got it. Can we use the word hand by itself? Can we use the word writing by itself? Exactly. It is a compound word, so you can put a repeat sign. Okay, and it does come from the word handwrite as opposed to typing or just speaking. I'm going to handwrite a note for your mom, said Mr. Modell. Okay, so when you handwrite something, and you give it to somebody, right? It's written. We call that handwritten. Okay, it was a handwritten note that you gave to your mom to contact me about your homework. Handwritten. Let's go. Handwritten. Handwritten. It was a handwritten note. First syllable, hand. Second syllable, writ, which is an ancient form of write. Third syllable, ten. And notice that we divide the syllable by the double consonant. You know who you are. Okay, so how do we mark this up? Underline the r. Exactly. Okay, and now hand by itself. Can we use the word hand by itself? Can we use the word written by itself? You got it. So it is a compound word. So you can put a little repeat sign there. Okay, compound word, not a triple compound word, just a compound word. What do we do with these two words? Exactly. Brace. What do we do with penmanship and handwriting? Half bracket or brace. Okay, so let's go. Handwritten. Handwritten. In the old days, all books were handwritten. Okay, handwriting. Handwriting. Penmanship. Penmanship. Okay, let's go. Requirement. Requirement. Require. Require. Moment. Moment. Of course, you could do moments as well. Momentous occasion. All right. So you guys get pretty lucky with this page. It's relatively easy, and now we're going to go back and get easier again. Skip down to number 8, old spelling word, length. Just say length and write it, because you just did this on Friday, so I'm not going to belabor the issue. How do we mark this up? Underline the ng and the th. Now, that comes from the word long. When you want to make something longer, to give it more length, you have to lengthen it. Lengthen. The suffix n means to make. So, for example, dark, darken, to make dark. Sharp, sharpen. I have to sharpen my pencil. I have to make it sharp. Lengthen. Let's go. Length, n. Lengthen. First syllable, length. Second syllable, n. How do we mark this up? Underline the ng. I'm sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. Underline the ng and the th. What do we do with these two words? Brace. Okay, now again, old spelling word, very old, but again, we did it the other day. Strong. Just say strong and write it. I'm not going to require that you say it as you write it in this particular case. How do we mark this off? Up. Good. Underline the Okay, so, oh my God, sorry, scratch that. Strength. I'm sorry, strength. Okay, how do we mark this up? Underline the and the th. To make something, to add strength to it, we strengthen it. Okay, to work out our bodies. We work out with, we exercise with weights. To be healthy, to strengthen our bodies. We eat nutritious foods. Strengthen. Let's go. First syllable, strength. Cross your T's. Second syllable, N. All right, I'm not going to make you mark it up. No, actually I am. Underline the and the th. What do we do with these two words? Brace. Okay, now, next word is the word number 12, wide. Let's go. Just say wide and write it. Open your mouth up wide, said the dentist. Okay, how do we mark this up? Underline the I and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. You got it. Now, to make something wider, to give it more width, we have to widen it. Okay? No, it's not widthen. It's widen. Okay, so let's go. Widen. Widen. First syllable, Y. Nothing to do with Wi-Fi. Second syllable, den. How do we mark this up? Excellent. Underline the I. That's rule 4. But again, notice we dropped the silent E. If we didn't, it would be widen. Okay, and then that's rule 13. Okay, what do we do with these two words? Great. Brace. Okay, rule 13. Let's go. W-I-D, silent E, wide. Widen, widen. The suffix en means to make. All right, just say strength and read it. Just say strength and... I got myself completely confused. Let's go. Just say strength. Strength. Strength and strengthen. length, lengthen, lengthen. And going back to number 13, old spelling word of, oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, you got confused. Oh, you got scared. Only joking, just playing a joke on you. All right, go. Enjoy yourself.